Hello, savvy earners! Welcome back to Moneymaker Energy, the ultimate guide to turning your tech prowess into a revenue powerhouse. In today's video, we're diving into the dynamic world of making money online through AI. But before we unravel the secrets, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Now, let's embark on the journey of transforming AI expertise into a lucrative venture. Hold on tight, because today we're not just talking about making money online. We're talking about mastering the art of AI and watching your income skyrocket. Stick around because what's coming your way is not just another video. It's a game changer for those ready to ride the wave of digital revolution. 1. AI content generation. Monetizing content online is a classic strategy. But what if AI could supercharge your content creation? Enter tools like Jasper, revolutionizing how you brainstorm, research, and draft. Just input a prompt and voila! AI-generated content for your blog, Instagram, or even YouTube scripts. It's like having a digital co-author, making your content creation a breeze. Your ideas combined with AI's analytical power. That's the winning formula for engaging, high-quality content. Imagine the time you'll save, allowing you to focus on strategy and creativity rather than the nitty-gritty of content creation. It's not just about creating content. It's about harnessing the full potential of AI to be your creative ally. 2. AI and web design. Your website is your online storefront, and with AI in the game, designing a professional-looking site becomes a cakewalk. Platforms like Hostinger Website Builder offer AI heat map features, revealing what parts of your site attract the most attention. It's not just web design, it's strategic AI-powered optimization for maximum impact. Picture this: an AI-driven website that adapts to user behavior, ensuring a personalized and engaging experience. This not only enhances user satisfaction, but also boosts your online presence. It's not just about having a website, it's about leveraging AI to create a digital space that captivates your audience. 3. AI in online course creation. Become the expert in your field by creating online courses, and let AI refine your approach. Use ChatGPT for market research, finding the best topics for your courses. Let AI suggest compelling marketing copies that sell. It's not just about creating courses, it's about leveraging AI to make your educational content stand out. Imagine the impact of offering courses crafted with AI precision, courses that resonate with your audience and drive engagement. With AI as your strategic ally, you're not just an educator, you're a trendsetter in the ever-evolving landscape of online learning. 4. Freelance coding with AI. Freelance coding just got a turbo boost with AI tools. ChatGPT, powered by natural language processing, simplifies coding tasks and automates documentation. No more tedious hours spent on code reviews. AI helps identify issues and areas for improvement. It's not just coding, it's coding efficiency brought to you by AI. Imagine being a freelance coder with a virtual assistant that understands your programming needs and streamlines your workflow. It's not just about writing lines of code. It's about embracing the future of coding, where AI is your partner in optimizing efficiency and elevating your coding game. 5. AI product affiliate programs. Joining AI product affiliate programs opens the door to a world of possibilities. Sell cutting-edge AI technology and earn commissions. Leverage the trends in machine learning, data analytics, and cloud solutions to maximize your earnings. It's not just affiliate marketing. It's riding the wave of AI innovation for profit. Imagine being at the forefront of AI trends, introducing your audience to groundbreaking products, and earning a slice of the pie. With AI product affiliate programs, you're not just an affiliate, you're a trend spotter, guiding your audience through the ever-evolving landscape of AI solutions. Now that we've explored ways to monetize existing AI products, let's delve into advanced methods for the true AI aficionados. 6. Create and market AI-powered products. Imagine developing and selling your own AI-based products without diving into complex algorithm development. APIs like Google Cloud AI, Amazon Web Services AI, TensorFlow, and OpenAI are your secret weapons. It's not just about creating products, it's about transforming existing AI capabilities into market-ready solutions. Picture this: your AI-powered product making waves in the market, solving real-world problems, and generating revenue. It's not just about innovation. It's about bringing AI to the masses in a way that's accessible, impactful, and profitable. 7. AI integration services. Businesses across industries hunger for AI integration, and you could be the expert they need. Enhance business intelligence with predictive analytics, automate customer service with chatbots, and optimize marketing with sentiment analysis. It's not just integration, It's strategically applying AI to elevate business operations. Imagine being the go-to expert for businesses seeking to harness the power of AI to streamline their operations. It's not just about integration, it's about being the architect of digital transformation, guiding businesses towards efficiency and success in the AI-driven era. 8. AI consulting services. Become the AI consultant companies crave by bridging the gap between technology and business. Analyze a client's needs, propose tailored AI solutions, and guide them towards efficiency. It's not just consultation, it's becoming the AI architect of business success. Imagine being the trusted advisor for businesses navigating the complex landscape of AI. It's not just about providing advice, it's about being the strategic partner that ensures businesses harness the full potential of AI for sustained growth and success. 9. Invest in AI-focused ventures. Ready to invest in the future? AI-focused startups are on the rise, and your financial backing could be the catalyst they need. Explore opportunities with Google Cloud AI, Amazon Web Services AI, TensorFlow, and OpenAI. It's not just about investing, it's becoming a stakeholder in the AI revolution. Imagine being part of the next big thing in AI, supporting innovations that shape industries and redefine possibilities. It's not just about investing, it's about being a visionary, contributing to the transformative journey of AI and reaping the rewards of being at the forefront of technological evolution. There you have it, from monetizing existing AI products to pioneering the next wave of AI innovations. If this video sparked your entrepreneurial spirit, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more insights into mastering the art of making money with AI. Remember, the future is AI, and the opportunities are limitless. This is Moneymaker Energy signing off.